Before that, he was playing with an acorn, but then I couldn't film it. And then for the third time we went back out, then I grabbed my camera. Matcha. This is what we do all day.
He's such a nut. Wait. Oh my gosh. Leo. He's so sweet. He's like, what is going on? Hey, none of that. None of that. I wanted to give a huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Because I'm gonna be here in Texas for the next month, I obviously had to order toys, treats, fun little games for Matcha, and of course my other two dogs, Leo and Lacey. I want to share my favorite treats for the dogs. Because Matcha still has a sensitive stomach, there's limited treats and types of food that he can only eat because his stomach is still so sensitive. One of them that's my favorite is the Buffalo Blue Tasty Chicken Training Treats. I use these treats whenever I taught Matcha how to sit, how to shake, and they're also just great for if he goes to the bathroom. The next treat that we're a big fan of are these Milk Bones. Milk Bone has been around since 1908, and these are really great because they've got calcium in them. They're made in the US, and there's even a Yorkie on the cover. This next brand that Walmart carries is Cradle. These are calming treats, except for one of them is strictly just like calming chews. The other ones help support hip and joint. I really like these because my older dog Leo has a very, very big fear of fireworks and thunderstorms and rain. Just giving him one of these chews is perfect. It doesn't knock him out the way that pills you would get from the vet do, but it definitely calms him down. I feel confident knowing that there's premium ingredients in here with no artificial flavors or dyes or anything like that. This is my favorite game. I've showed this before at my house in Idaho. If you don't have this yet, you need to go to Walmart and get it because it is so, so good. So this is the Cupcake Interactive Party Game. You take little treats and you put them in here. It basically tests your dog's IQ to see if they can flip over the cupcake and get their treat. Last but not least, I'm just gonna go through my favorite toys from Walmart. I got 4 different ones. First one, we've got this little crab. It's so, so cute, and the material is perfect because it's not easy to pull apart. Now that there are 3 dogs who are gonna be chewing on all of these toys, I needed to make sure that I got toys that were gonna be durable. The next toy that I got is this pig. It has a similar material to the crab. It's very, very thick, and this one's nice because there's not a squeaker in it. So it's one of those toys where at nighttime they can kind of just like chew on it and it's not gonna be super noisy. I showed this earlier when I gave these to the dog. This came in a pack of 3. The squeakers on these ones are super great. Also, it's a nice size because they're so, so little. And then last but not least, we've got the Frisbee discs. The dogs absolutely love these because it's thin enough to fit into their mouth, and it's also really lightweight and easy to pick up. I wouldn't trust any other brand to deliver the best quality treats, toys, and games at such an affordable price the way that Walmart does. Also, we cannot forget the huge dog bed that I got for all 3 of them. Not to mention it's super on trend, and we have it located in my dad's office because when my dad works from home, the dogs just zonk out on that bed. With that being said, I will have a link in the description to everything that I mentioned today. Life is too short to not spoil your dog, but of course you want to be doing it with the best products at the best prices. Thank you again to Walmart for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Let's get on with the rest of Matcha's day.
All my effort.
Oh, you did a good job.
Come in.
Oh my.
Come here. Come here.
You need to slow down. All right, we're gonna do a walk on the trails. I have a feeling Matcha's paws are gonna get really, really dirty after this. Come on, you need to slow down. Oh yeah, it's about to be muddy. Catherine and I are gonna go to a coffee shop really quick, so we put the dogs in the crate, but I'm gonna give them each one of these little squeaky bone toys. Look at how fun these are. They each have a squeaker. Green for Leo, orange for Matcha, pink for Lacey. I always feel bad because like they're in the crate and the crate is just so sad. Hello, hello. wearing my dad's big sandals that are way too big for my feet. He's going potty. Yay! Good job! Good job, Matcha. Oh, you're so good. One of their favorite toys are these Frisbees. I love the two different patterns. There's one that says choose happy, and then this one says best friends. Catherine, which one should we play with?
Green.
Green? Okay. When I saw this online, I was like, okay, one, it's perfect size. It's not too big, not too small, and it's a great outdoors toy, which we don't actually have many of. This is the best part. They all just fight over it. Ooh. Hello. Matcha.
They were fed 5 p.m.
I was supposed to film it.
Oh.
Paw. Paw. Yay, good job. All right, Matcha and I are going to bed. This is the end of his day in the life. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. From here on out, he just sleeps up here. He's really, really good through the night. And yeah, he's my favorite little boy. I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.
I've always loved the